Hey everybody, we are on our trip back, and basically I was going to show you something down at this end. God, even my wife burps. Okay, so what I was going to show you was this nice LED light display down at the end, how it changes color, and it really just looks pretty cool, actually, and I think that is one of the really cool things about the limo. Now, I'm going to take a quote from Aaron, and I'm going to say how juvenile this burping is. Who was that?
That was Dennis!
Oh my god. Okay, well, anyway, so you can see that I have a really immature crew here, but I guess that's what we get for having a few drinks in limo, and man, this is bad.
All I have is Coca-Cola.
Till next time.